10/10 sale is just around the corner, so today I want to share with you my PinkFlash recommendations. All of these products na gamit ko na before, so basically tried and tested ko na and alam ko na how they perform. So for those of you planning to purchase any PinkFlash products, make sure to watch this video. And super nice kasi upon checking guys, some of the products here naka-bundle and super affordable. Ito yung first reco ko from PinkFlash and ito yung kanilang Duo Eyebrow Kit. And ito yung reason kung bakit tinawag siyang Duo Eyebrow Kit kasi meron ka ng powder and pomade. And look at this, kapag ka bumili kayo, may kasama na siyang brush. Shade I'm using nga pala is 01. And as you guys can see right off the bat, it is pigmented. So for those of you na mahilig gumawa ng very, on fleek and talagang snatched na kilay, this is so perfect. I honestly don't have anything bad to say in terms of pigmentation kasi it's very pigmented and a little goes a long way. But yung maganda sa kanya is hindi siya super bilis mag-set, so you'll be able to really blend it and magagawa nyo yung shape na gusto nyo. And yan, pagdating sa front, I'm just basically using ko ano yung natira sa brush just to add some depth and shadow. Anyway, so after using the pomade, of course, next step is to add this powder on top. Just to make sure na hindi siya mag-move. And also just to add a little bit more color. I'm just basically flicking it pataas to have that very soft and diffuse brow. Of course, after that, all you have to do is brush your brows just to soften it. This is optional, but I'm just adding a little bit of brow gel just to hold the shape of my brow hairs. This is the with and without, and here is the before and after. Ito yung next recommendation ko, and this one is actually a set. And all of these products, guys, tried and tested ko na. Talagang nagagamit ko na ever since, so alam kong they perform and works really well. And super great deal nito kasi for less than 250 pesos, meron ka ng foundation, blush, and also loose powder. For foundation, you'll be getting this PinkFlash Lasting Matte Foundation, which I personally use. And for your reference, shade I'm using is number 2. And as you can see right off the bat, coverage is definitely there. Medium to full nga pala yung coverage nito, guys. So it's up to you na kung anong coverage yung gusto nyo gawin. Be it light, you can layer it. And ayan, as you guys can see, talaga nakaka-cover siya ng imperfections. Mga redness, dark spots. Hindi lang super perfect ng shade match, but as you can see, very close naman sa neck. Formula is very comfortable sa skin. It's easy to apply and blend, especially if you have well-moisturized, well-prepped skin. This applies amazing. This is the with and without. This is one of those foundation na mai-recommend ko, especially for student kasi very affordable and ayan, maganda yung coverage niya. Especially if hindi naman kayo heavy mag-foundation, okay na to guys. Even though maliit siya, when you look at it, this will last you for quite some time. 25 grams nga pala yung laman nito. I mean, just look at the finish and coverage of this foundation, grabe. Kahit hindi na ako mag-concealer, okay na. Tapusin ko lang yung base ko off. Lalagyan ako ng contour, bronzer, and concealer. And then babalikan ko kayo for our next step. And here is the before and after. Ito yung powder na kasama sa set. This one is called the PinkFlash Matte Loose Powder. And super messy na nung akin guys kasi ginagamit ko siya. And just look how it instantly blurs and mattify the skin, di ba? Sa tip ng nose, as you can see, ayan. Boom. Super nice for setting the face. And for those of you na mahilig mag-bake, okay na okay din to. I'm just gonna do half of my face first so that you guys can see yung difference. Look at the without and with. On this side, as you can see, talaga super mattified ng skin. Not the most finely made powder there is, but for the price, okay na okay siya, guys. It doesn't feel dry at all and hindi heavy. And here is the before and after. And just in case you guys are wondering if meron bang flashback itong powder, the answer is wala. Ipa-flash ko na lang sa skin yung photo ko wearing this PinkFlash powder and foundation as my base. Ito yung final product from the PinkFlash set and ito yung kanilang powder blush. Nagamit ko na to guys and yung shade nga pala na meron ako is si PP03. To apply this, of course, I'm gonna be using a brush. And just an FYI, yung residue na meron dito sa brush is just the same blush. Nagamit ko na kasi to multiple times and ito din yung blush na gamit ko sa may flashback test. This is pigmented guys, so you have to be careful. A little goes a long way. And this is how it looks like on the cheeks. Ang ganda ng pagka-pink, di ba? It's also very easy to blend. Sobrang blendable ng formula. They also have so many colors to choose from and I'm definitely getting more kasi very affordable and it lasts the entire day, guys. Sobrang pretty ng shade kasi it's not too bright and hindi din naman siya sobrang muted. Just the perfect everyday pink in my opinion. Another reco ko from them is this one, yung kanilang 3-pan eyeshadow. Actually, ang dami nilang options for this one and ang gaganda ng color choices. And ito yung gagamitin ko today, CBR01. And ito yung swatches. Gonna apply this color all over my lid. We're just doing a very quick and easy smoky eye. And as you can see, Pigmented siya, guys. But the good thing about this is hindi siya patchy. It's very easy to blend. Few seconds lang. Soft and diffused na kaagad siya, diba? Also love how versatile this brown is kasi pwede rin siya for your brows or kaya pang liner. You know, if you wanna do that smoked wing liner na very soft, this one is great. Using a flat brush, I'm going to apply this shimmer sa inner half. And I'm applying this dry. Hindi ako naglagay ng base underneath. And just look at the sparkle, diba? It's so pretty. I'm gonna be using my finger to apply this time just to intensify. And guys, look at the magic. Wow. And again, I didn't use any base products for this. As you can see, makapit talaga siya and sobrang shimmery. Going back sa dark brown color and I'm just gonna blend the edges. Applying the same brown color on my lower lash line to smoke it out. And I'm connecting it here so that it doesn't have any gap. Also a little bit of brown here with whatever's left sa brush ko. Same shimmer sa inner half dito sa ating lower lash line just so it looks more uniform. And just to add a little bit of something. And finally for lips, I have total of 3 recommendations. Ito yung first, yung kanilang matte and shine lip set. Super sulit for the price kasi meron ka ng matte lipstick, you have 2 shades kasi dual-ended and also isang lip gloss. And clear siya, so pwede nyo ipang-top sa kahit anong lip product. I have total of 3 shades for this one. V03, V05, and V06. And just in case you guys are wondering, ayan, nag-iiwan siya ng stain. I'm gonna show you V06. So I'm just gonna apply this one first all over my lips, yung light color. Ayan. Ang ganda ng kulay, diba? Just going to use this as my base. Actually, the shade alone, diba? Super ganda na, oh. Then I'm gonna use this other side, yung darker color. And i-apply ko lang siya sa inner part. Like that. Press my lips. Here we have it, instant ombre lips. Lagay natin itong lip gloss on top. Maganda yung gloss kasi yung applicator niya silicone, so mabilis linisin. And what I'm gonna do is, itatap ko lang siya. Ayan, instantly, diba? It transformed the lip product. And super ganda niya kapag may gloss on top. This is so pretty. And tip lang before you put it back on the tube, make sure na linisin nyo so that matanggal yung existing na product na nakakapit. Para malinis and hindi maghalo yung colors. Ito yung next PinkFlash lip recommendation ko, guys. Yung kanilang powder matte lip tint, which I already have a full review, so ililink ko na lang yun, guys. Panoorin nyo kasi complete swatches yung ginawa ko for this. I have NU02, NU03, and PK01. Actually, ang bango nito, guys. Amoy brownies siya. I'm gonna be applying NU03, and this is how it looks like. As you can see, blurring siya. And for me, I personally love using this na blur, ganyan. Lalagay ko lang sa center, tapos i-blend ko yung edge using my finger. Just to give it that soft and very diffused effect. Diba? Super nice. Powdery, velvety yung look. Tapos hindi siya nagka-crumble, so maganda yung texture niya. And finally, eto yung last recommendation ko, guys, yung PinkFlash Creamy Lip Gloss, which I already have a review. Ililink ko na lang din. We have BB01, NU01, OR01, PK02, and RD01. And as you guys can see right off the bat, it's pigmented, it's juicy looking on the lips. Ang ganda. Look at that. Diba? I am obsessed. This is actually a love at first use. Like, the moment I use this, sobrang nagustuhan ko kaagad kasi this is the kind of formula na favorite ko. I mean, the glossy finish kasi I'm a big fan of glossy lips kasi it makes your lips very juicy, very healthy. Tapos ang bango pa, may orange candy. And here we have it. This is the finished look. Super duper happy with how my makeup turned. Diba parang high-end makeup yung ginamit ko? But again, lahat ng product na ginamit ko, guys, are from PinkFlash and all of these are super duper affordable. And again, for those of you planning to purchase any PinkFlash products, eto yung aking mga recommendations. Eto yung mga top picks ko from them. And ililink ko na lang lahat. Anyway, ayun lamang, guys. Bye!